Hello everyone, today we're here at room 340 in the La Quinta Inn, LAX, Los Angeles, California. Not sure why that was stuck open like that. Door has all the standard security. One of these kind of latches, deadbolt, and of course the cover on that. Many of the lights in this room are motion controlled, which is kind of annoying. Luggage rack, hangers, ironing board. No safe or anything. With this weird sliding closet door that then blocks your mini fridge. Unstocked. No freezer compartment. That does not open. Coffee maker. The older style with the little slot tray with the coffee, not a Keurig. Microwave. This is the first room on this trip I've stayed in that has one. Not perfectly clean, but by no means the worst either. Here's your track for that sliding door. As we turn around to the other side, you get the bathroom, which at first glance appears to be doorless, but it's another one of those sliding doors, which is also a pocket, so it hides there. Unlike the last room, also a Wyndham property that I stayed at with a sliding door, this one actually closes all the way. You don't get gaps. However, it still has the glass in it. Why? Why is this a trend? I hate it. If I'm in the bathroom, I don't want other people in the room being able to see me. It's really stupid. Alright, done with my rant. Bathroom itself actually looks quite nice. Everything about this room is actually nicer than I would have expected given the property that I'm at. Another towel, hair dryer, tissues. Extra toilet paper as well down there. Sink with lots of space around it for toiletries. There were two of those bar soaps. I opened one. They were exactly the same. Sink doesn't have a ton of water pressure, but it's enough. Outlet next to it, of course. Hey there. Mirror with good lighting on it. The last room had terrible lighting in most of the room. Toilet. Shower. They love their sliding glass doors in here. Plastic, not real tile, but at least it looks nice and clean, so I don't really care. The floor is harder though. Some of them sound like a hollowish floor. This one does not. I appreciate that. And I believe, yes, both glass pieces slide, which I appreciate. Then you can open this one a bit and turn the shower on without having to be under it for the initial cold shock. Towel rack. Toilet itself. Toilet paper and trash can there. Seems like kind of a weak flush, almost more of a water saver flush, but with no option for a long one. Well, maybe you hold the handle. I don't actually know. There's no directions or anything with these things. You just got to kind of figure it out. Bathroom on motion light is terrible, but at least in this one, because of having a clear door on the shower, in theory, it will know if you're still in here. Until it fogs up. All right, let's give it a try for a long flush. Yes. Okay, so it is a water saver. Not a soft close toilet lid and seat. Connecting door over here. You don't get an extra latch here, but you do have a deadbolt. There's not even a lock on that one. Good size mirror, not quite full length, but it does function as one. I can actually see my entire self. Hey there. Some generic ass artwork. Thermostat, which is not in active use. What do you do? Ah. So that one has double switching ability. It's on this. There's also a hard switch there. If that hard switch is off, this does nothing. So this one is just permanently motion activated. That one, on the other hand, will stay on, as well as that lamp. Small little TV. I haven't seen a room with a 32-inch in quite a while. But I also don't really care because I don't intend on being in this room much and watching TV. Just a place to keep stuff asleep. Desk. Another little trash can. One of these chairs that is a little flimsy, but it'll do. Lamp here has outlets in it. Some facts sheet. What in the world is on a dimmer in here? Oh. Now that it won't go off. That's kind of cool. Little desk lamp there. I guess you hit... How do you turn it back off? I have no idea how you turn that off now that I have it on. Oh well. That's amusing. Nice big bed. King size, of course. Looks pretty comfortable. You do have an older style comforter here that is not covered with anything, so that's a little nasty, but you know. I'm not sleeping on that. Here's your active thermostat. Not really sure why they have the other one on the wall if they're not going to use it. Maybe it was just problematic and they defaulted back to this. Window. We are looking north out of this room. So we have an active construction site back here. Dirty window. And then you look that way and there's the Holiday Inn that I was at last. I don't know if it's just the construction noise hiding it or what, but right now I cannot hear the protesters that are outside of the Holiday Inn. Hopefully I don't hear that from here, though I do support their cause. Alarm clock. You get outlets in this, which is nice. That does not open, and that does not open. All right. Fake drawers. Or broken. All right, I guess that'll be it for this room tour. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.